How do you convert units of measurement for GED math word problems? Imagine you're baking a cake and the recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, but you only have a measuring spoon that measures in tablespoons. How do you figure out how much to use? That's where converting units of measurement comes in. When solving GED math word problems, knowing how to change units helps you understand and solve real-world problems more easily. First, you need to identify what units are given and what units the problem asks for. For example, if a problem says a car travels 300 miles in 5 hours, but asks for the speed in miles per hour, you already have the distance and time units. If the problem asks for the distance in feet, you'll need to convert miles to feet. Recognizing the units helps you decide what conversion factors to use. Next, you use conversion factors. These are ratios that show how two units relate, like 12 inches equal 1 foot. These ratios are always equal to 1, so multiplying by them doesn't change the actual value. For converting miles to feet, you can use the fact that 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. To convert, you set up a fraction so that miles cancel out and only feet remains. When setting up your conversion, arrange the fraction so that the units you want to get rid of are on the bottom, and the units you want to keep are on the top. For example, if you want to convert 3 miles to feet, you write 3 miles times 5,280 feet over 1 mile. The miles cancel out, leaving you with the answer in feet. If multiple conversions are needed, do them step by step. For example, if you have inches and need to find miles, first convert inches to feet, then feet to miles. Always check your units after each step to make sure they match what the problem asks for. It's also smart to estimate your answer after converting. If you convert to 156 inches to feet, you should get about 21 feet because 12 inches make 1 foot. This helps you catch mistakes early. When working with rates like miles per hour, convert all measurements to the same units before dividing. For example, if a car travels 100 miles in 120 minutes, convert minutes to hours by dividing by 60. Then divide miles by hours to find the speed. Remember to write out the units at every step. This keeps you organized and helps prevent errors. Rounding your final answer is fine, especially when converting between larger units like years to days or inches to feet. By practicing these steps, you'll get better at converting units in GED math word problems. This skill makes solving problems involving measurement, speed, and distance much easier and more accurate. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural to switch between units whenever you need to.